My name is Ignata. I am from class 10. Today I am explaining active voice, passive voice and simple past tense. And this is the structure for active voice on simple past tense. And this is the structure for passive voice and simple past tense. And this is the example. She played cricket. Cricket considered as thing, so its was pronunciation was. అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం క్రికెట్ అని రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ వర్డ్స్. ప్లేడ్ V3 ప్లేడ్. సబ్జెక్ట్ షీ. ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ లోకి వెళ్తే హెర్. దాని ముందు ఫస్ట్ బై యాడ్ చేసి తర్వాత హెర్.
Why cricket we use was?
Because cricket is a thing. Cricket is a thing.
That's we use was.
Word.
One second.
She played cricket. Cricket. She means subject. V2 plus object. Object was by word V3 plus subject.
Very good. So she played cricket. This is the active voice simple past tense. So in passive voice, simple past structure is object plus was by verb plus V3 plus subject. According to structure, we use the sentence. So here, what is object? First, cricket. So that's we use here cricket. Cricket is comes under things. So we use it. So for it we use was. So that's why cricket was. So V3 played. Instead of plus we use by. What is subject here? She. In passive voice, she becomes her. So that's why her came. Cricket was played by her. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Deepika. Today I am telling about active voice, passive voice on past continuous tense. This is the structure of past continuous. This is the example for past continuous active voice. This is the structure for passive voice. In passive voice, first we use object.
Not a poem. Subject.
This is the example for passive voice. A poem is a singular. That's why we use the was. Structure being V3 reciting plus in place plus by we use by subject Sumit.
Very good.
Good evening to all. Myself Sajyasri. I am explaining about voice on past perfect. The structure of past perfect is subject plus had V3 plus object. Example for past perfect is Sai had eaten biryani. In active voice, this is example. In passive voice, the structure is object plus had V3 plus object plus had been V3 plus object. Sorry, subject. Example for passive voice. First we use objects and at last we use subject. So first biryani had been eaten by Sai.
Explain.
Now object biryani had been B3 eaten. Subject Sai. Good afternoon everyone. I am last year from class 10. Today I am going to explain voice on simple present tense. So this is the structure of simple present tense on active voice. subject plus V1 by V5 plus object. And this is an example of active voice on simple present. So here they is the subject, play is V1 and badminton is the object. So we're coming to passive voice. The structure of passive voice on simple present is object plus is and are plus V3 plus subject. So this is the structure of passive voice in simple present. So let's try the example based on the structure. So here object is the badminton. So badminton is the object. So object is completed. And is and are, badminton is a game. It belongs to it. So it is goes to is. So badminton is and V3. The V3 tense of play is played. Badminton is played. So in the place of this plus we use by. Played by. And they in passive voice it becomes them. So based on this structure we write passive voice as badminton is played by them. Here badminton is the object, is V3 is played and by them. So in active voice we say they play badminton and in passive voice we say badminton is played by them.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Vindhya. Today I am explaining about AVPV structure in present continuous tense. Okay, now we know the structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus V4 plus object. This is the structure of AV. In the PV it will change into the subject will come last in the PV. Object is first. Okay.
Help me for passive voice.
Passive voice. Okay, can we write one example now? In the passive voice, mangoes means plural. We want to write are. In V4, here in the structure we want to write V3. V3 means eaten means eat means eaten. Are being eaten. In the plus, instead of plus we want to write by. Subject Navya.
Shortly explain.
In the subject is first letter we want to write N is capital. In the object we want to write N is capital because name means we want to write capital only. Good afternoon everyone, I am Krishna Priya from class 10. Today I am going to explain voice on present perfect. So this is the structure of active voice on present perfect. Subject plus has by have, V3 plus object. So this is the example of active voice. Priya has drunk water. So now I am going to write passive voice structure. So object plus have by has been V3 plus subject.
Exist here. What is subject? What is verb?
So subject is Priya, has, V3 is drunk, object is water.
Water singular. Water singular use has. Not have, has.
So Object is water has been instead of plus.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఇప్పుడు మార్చాలి స్ట్రక్చర్ కు సేమ్.
So this is the example of passive voice. Water has been drunk by Priya. Object is water has been drunk V3 by instead of plus we keep by. Subject is Priya. Good afternoon to everyone. I am Pooja from class 10th. Today I am going to explain voice on simple future. Structure for simple future is subject plus will by shall V1 plus object. I am writing example for simple future. So Deepu will eat biryani is the example for active voice. Here Deepu is the subject and eat is the verb and the biryani is the object. And the structure for passive voice is object plus will be by shall be V3 plus object. Subject. So here object is biryani. So we have to write biryani. And we have to write will be. And V3 form of eat is eaten. In place of plus, we have to write by. And here subject is Deepu. So Deepu. And the answer is biryani will be eaten by Deepu. Thank you.
Good evening all, I am P. Chandrahasan from class 10. So now I am explaining future continuous tense on voice. So here the future continuous structure is subject plus will be by shall be V4 plus object. So subject is I, will be V4 plus object. So I am now going to tell about passive voice structure on future continuous tense. Object plus will be by shall be, being plus V3 plus subject. So in passive voice, the object will come at first and the subject will come at last. So here subject is a book plus will be being. Here V3 is read. In place of plus we have to write by Sai, subject. So a book will be being read by Sai. So this is the passive voice structure of future continuous tense. Thank you.
Hello to one and all. My name is Niranya. I am telling voice on future perfect. The structure of future perfect is subject plus will have by shall have V3 plus object. This is the example for a future perfect. Now the passive voice structure is object plus will have by shall have been plus V3 plus subject. Here the subject is Ravati and the verb is bought and object is food. According to this structure, we have to change this active voice example in passive voice. Now the object is fruits. So we have to use will have. We have to use been. And the subject is Ravati. In place of plus we have to use by. And the subject is Ravati. This is the future perfect tense.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Jeevika from class 10. Now I am going to explain imperative sentences on voice. Here is an example for imperative sentence on
How to find that imperative sentence?
The imperative sentences are sentences like request, order, comment, etc.
In that sentence, subject is not required. Carry on.
Here respect is a verb and the elders is an object. Now the structure for passive voice is let plus object plus be plus V3. Now let's convert the sentence into the passive voice. First we should write let and then the object. Here the object is the elders. And we should write be. And V3 form of respect is respected, so we should write respected. So the following sentence is let the elders be respected. Here, okay. Here the verb is respect and the elders is an object. So here when converted to passive voice, the structure is let plus object plus be plus V3. So we convert that we should write let first and the object. Here the object is the elders. So we write the elders and then be. Be we write as follow and then here V3. Here the V3 form of respect is respected. So we write respected. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Geetka from class 10. Now I am going to explain modal verbs. So this is the structure subject plus could V1 plus object. The passive voice structure is object plus could be V3 plus object. Subject. And cricket means object here. Could means modal verb. And play means V1. Here object means cricket and could be as it is we have to write and V3 means play. Play. Played. So played. And here we have to write by Shravya. Subject. Thank you.
Past perfect. Past perfect. Simple present. Simple present.
Now it's system.
Present continuous. Present perfect. Simple future. Future continuous.
Jeevika.